Okay, so here we are. US 30 is about to open up. It's currently 9:30 a.m., or at least it should open up right now. And if it doesn't open up now, then chances are trading is going to be halted for a bit. But let's see what happens. Let's see if I can spot any divergences, if I can spot any kangaroo tails. I've been killing it with indices this past week. So if you look here at the account history, I got stupid me. This account, I told myself I was only going to use it for indice trades, but I actually, where's the history? I actually got into gold trades and GBP USD. That was a good trade. It ended up falling down even lower to like 60 or 80 pips, I think. But I closed out around 40 pips. But stupid me, I got into other trades like gold and silver, and that was a bad day today. So yeah, I should have just avoided that. But this account was strictly for US 30. So from now on, I'm only going to do US 30 on this account so there's no more confusion. But yeah. Just woke up. So yeah, it looks like trading's halted for a little bit longer. Yesterday, when the market opened at 6 p.m. EST, which was on a Sunday, I watched as it gapped down and it fell straight down. So the entire time I watched it just plummet. So that would have been an amazing trade if I got into a sell. But yeah, as you can see right here, we have bearish regular divergence, but no arrow appeared, no kangaroo tail. So that's why we never got into it. Well, looks to me like it's not going to open up, so I'll just stop the video. Oh, Todd just messaged me and said, why didn't price move yet? Price is at 2,490. What? Oh, I think you mean 24,900. Okay, let's take a look at where 24,900 is. Whoa, no way. 24,000. Oh my God. I'm pretty sure that's a typo. He told me price is at 2,490, but I'm pretty sure he meant 24,900. So if that's the case, if it spiked up to 24,900 from here to here, that is, oh my God, 29,766 pips. I don't know if I'm reading that right. It's either 29,000 or it's 2,976. One of those. Yeah, honestly, don't know which one because my broker's different. I was looking at S&P 500. Okay, let's take a look at S&P 500. I could probably trade that as well with him. Oh, there it is. Oh, wow. That's exactly like I was expecting. So that means gold is going to shoot up. So let's pull out metals and XAU, USD. Okay. Damn, look at that. That's insane. Okay. So on the 15-minute time frame, we have kangaroo, and on the 5 we have a regular divergence. So we also just hit support on the daily. And if you look at it on the weekly, Fibonacci to here, we just hit 38.2. So this could be forming a head and shoulders, so it continues to fall straight down. So what I might do right here is I'll probably get into a buy, because if US 30 is going to gap down, then it's game over. Watch this. So here's S&P 500. Here's gold. So there we go. So gold, you know what? Even though I said I'm not going to do any more trades for gold, let's just do one more. So that's my buy for gold. I'll place my take profit right here. That's only on one mini lot. So that's going to be 800 pips on gold. And then for S&P 500, he said that it gapped down. So it should be gapping down here. 24,900. Yeah, right here. Man, that's insane. So US 30 should gap down as well. Oh, there we go. My gold trade's already 20 pips in profit. I'm just waiting for S&P 500 and US 30 to open up. Looks like they're not open yet. US dollar should fall. Yep. US dollar should fall from here. Okay, it still hasn't moved. Pretty sure it's just trying to react to it. Okay, so for VIP members, I'm going to call out the buy right here. Stop loss right here, 1450. Take profit is going to be 1537.48. So I have my finger ready for a buy. So as you can see right here, we have bullish regular divergence on the 1 minute, and we still have these kangaroo tails. So I'm getting ready. If I see that push up just a little bit more, my guess is that right here it should push straight up. Okay. Also, because if you look right here we have multiple wicks. 1, 2, 3, 3 wicks right here. And there's one top and two top. I only see one top here, so this could potentially shoot straight up to create a second top. Okay, I'm just waiting for US 30 to open with S&P 500. Come on. It already opened up on the other exchanges. It's just not on the FOREX platform yet, which is weird. So okay, well, that's not opening up yet. Okay, daily time frame right here. Here's my pip counter, -8 pips. I have my finger ready for a buy. Right now is the perfect time. Man, this is going to be a risky trade. Waiting for a good entry for the members. Okay, that's going to be 55 pips. That was very close to being a kangaroo tail right there. See, there's a kangaroo. There's a kangaroo. That one looks more like a pin bar than a kangaroo, but very close. Let's see if this is still a good entry. Yeah. We have the inverted hammer right there. If I remember that name correctly, that looks like an inverted hammer. So that could be a good sign for a reversal. This one's probably going to hit my stop. That's okay. Let's draw some trend lines and see what's up. Okay, we had a perfect rejection right here. So from this wick to this wick. So we made a bounce. So chances are, looking at this now, I got a bad entry. This might just shoot straight down to touch the trend line, then spike up. Or it could just spike up straight from there. So that's why you got to be careful. Chances are, now that I'm looking at this, it could create a wick. It could create a wick down here before it spikes straight up. But I don't know, man. I just want to enter it so bad. See, is it open yet? Wow. S&P 500 US 30 aren't even open yet. Or at least not on this broker. All right, I'm going to enter it. All right, there we go. Trade has been called out for VIP members. All right. This is probably the biggest trade I've done for VIP so far. Yeah, the stop loss was so close. But so the stop loss is at 1450. Let me just lower this a bit because and the take profit is 1537.48. Okay, there we go. There's a huge probability that this is going to hit my stop loss just because of how close it is to the stop loss. But at the end of the day, we never know. Anything's possible. It could just shoot straight up from here. Obviously, I don't want it to hit my stop, but I'm leaning more towards it hitting our stop loss. Okay, S&P 500. Oh my God. S&P 500. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. So assuming this thing keeps on falling, gold should just keep on spiking up. Like gold should just shoot up. Look at gold right now. Okay. Yep. There we go. We're up 30 pips on gold. I don't even have, why am I looking at my trading thing when I can just look right here? I keep forgetting I have this pip counter. Shout out to my buddy Todd for giving me this pip counter. I'll probably link it down below if you're watching it. If I put this up on YouTube, then. So this is going to be an 800 pip trade. All right. So right here, 800 pips. Let me show you why I got into this trade. So here's why I got into this trade. I got into this trade because of what Todd and I discovered. So I taught Todd, my buddy Todd, how to trade divergence. And he researched something called a kangaroo tail. A kangaroo tail is a specific kind of reversal candle. It's very similar to a pin bar. And there's a bunch of free pin bar indicators on the market. But the thing about kangaroo is that it's slightly different than pin bar. So you want to have a kangaroo tail indicator and not a pin bar indicator. That's what we've learned. So I'll also leave a link down below to the kangaroo tail indicator that we're using. It is a paid indicator. I'm pretty sure you can find some free indicators out there. So it's not like you're forced to buy this indicator or you have to use it. This one costs like $100-something. It can get pretty expensive, but to be honest, we were too lazy to go searching the internet for free versions and testing out different things when we can just find a plug and play system, which is what we did. So see, look at that. This thing's going crazy. I'm just worried it's just going to spike straight down. But okay, this is perfect. This is perfect. Look, we have a kangaroo tail right here on the 1 minute time frame, and we have bullish regular divergence. So remember, not every trade is going to be a winning trade. But remember what I said, if you're in my VIP, I told you specifically that if based on our trading strategy, if you see a kangaroo tail after the regular divergence, that's a good sign that it's going to spike in whatever direction you're trading, right? So in this case, bullish regular divergence symbolizes a reversal to the upside. And if you see a kangaroo tail after the regular divergence, that's a good confirmation that the reversal is imminent in the near future. And in this case, because of how volatile the market is, this could possibly be the spike. So that's why I set my stop loss right here. I just set my stop loss right here because if this thing ends up going wrong, because of this whole coronavirus stuff and because of how volatile the market is, that if it's wrong, it's just going to tank, and it's going to tank really hard. So again, the reason why I bought this right now was because look at S&P 500. It just gapped. So, see, here's a perfect one right here. I could have bought right here. So that kind of worries me now that I'm going to buy for gold. If I see bullish regular plus a kangaroo tail, I could easily just buy this and most likely ride up. So I'm kind of worried about that. But I don't know. We'll see. I'm ready to buy for this, so I'm not going to change my direction. But yeah, 800 pips. I'm going to be honest with you. I am worried about this trade. I feel like it's just going to spike down and hit stop loss. But oh yeah, let me show you why I placed my take profit here. So if you look on the weekly time frame, right here, it's a shoulder. So head, shoulder, and we could be forming another shoulder right here. So I don't want to place my take profit at the tip of the shoulder, because there are some times where the shoulder doesn't completely line up, or it's not completely symmetrical. So if you draw your line in the middle of the head and shoulder, sometimes it won't go up to the top. It'll go like lower and then fall. So I'm trying to keep it at a decent take profit. So, whatever. If this trade hits take profit, we could literally stop trading for the rest of the month of March. I'm not even joking when I say that, because of how crazy and how volatile the market is right now. We do not want to take any risks with getting into too many trades. Last week, we lost 89 pips. I got into a few